So on this chapter, we are go. It's a chapter for network access. We are going to make a tutorial video for this. So my tutorial video is I will more on explaining things, and if there's need to make an actual, I will make it. So on this chapter, it's all about the physical layer connection. How can we connect on the network? So it can be either using fiber optic, UTP, wireless, or that's three. And then what are the network media we are need to use? So copper cabling is more on UTP, STP, and coaxial cable. UTP cabling is it is the wires twisted because to avoid EMI and RFI. So the fiber optic is the fastest media that we can use, and the wireless media is the most how can I say, is most not um it's like some pinakamadali pinakamadali gamitin because there's no wire needed. So I will just open packet tracer, then I will explain the wires or what they are used for. So only wires that here on this chapter. So as you can see, this is a console cable, this is a copper straight through, this is a crossover, fiber optic, coaxial. We so these three only, and this. So the first one is copper straight through. So a copper straight through it's only used when connecting different device. For example, I'm connecting router to my computer. So what I'm going to use copper straight through because of that. Then the crossover is for the same devices. I think it's for the same devices. For the same devices, for example, router to router, router to switch, like that things. And this is a fiber optic. The fiber optic is the most fast cable that we can rely on because it uses light to emit to send data or to process data with that. And coaxial is more I think on television. So the that's all for the what you call it the cables. So the data link. So the media access control, it's MAC address is very important because it's a very unique part of a device because it's the unique identity of that device, of every device. And topologies, as what I've said on my previous video, topologies is one of the important thing that we consider on creating a network so that our network will not be that magulo. And topologies, it has two types of topologies, which is physical and logical. So physical is more on the actual router with on a rack, a PC on a table, home, an ISP, what do you call it? Building and a tower. Then what do you call this? So, uh, what do we call it? Server farm, server location. Those stuffs are more on physical topologies when that those stuffs are arranged into one building, one house, like that. And and the logical topologies. It's simply it will show us for like on this path tracer we have a switch, a router rather, a switch, then another router, then a switch again, then a PC and PC and a PC and a PC. Then they are simply connected to each other. Oh, activation model. So, so fast internet, fast internet. Nope, not that. Fast internet. Then like that. Then oops, it's connected to here and connected to there. And I don't know. I think I should change the module. Um, let's put some just serial port. First to put I think I can put it. I know serial port. So let's switch off. Then put a serial. Switch on. Then the other one. Oh, it's a different device. It is a different router. So let's find the serial port. Okay, this serial. Ah, this thing is always on. So there we can now plug a one connection. That gigabit. Then fast Ethernet on any fast Ethernet port. And that is the for the what you call it for the connecting different devices. As we can see, this section here, it's a on the red, which means there's no connection because there is no IP address on the port now. Then so that's a simple topology. So this is a different LAN than this one. This is a LAN 1 and this is a LAN 2 because as we can see it's divided by a serial port which uses for one connections. So that's this, and that's all for this chapter 4 video, chapter 4 tutorial video, and thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something and I hope you understand something from me, and